How about the 1931 Chevrolet Universal 1.5-ton truck, red and black over beige? This thing is a top-notch restoration.
Beautiful truck.
Long-term ownership, 194 cubic inch inline six, heavy-duty hauler, which seems like an oxymoron from having a inline six-cylinder.
Yeah.
Those things were workhorses.
Torquey, yeah.
Very torquey.
Mm-hmm.
Remember the 235 Chevys that had the straight six, the Blue Flame six, I think it was?
Mm-hmm.
And, yeah, they had more power than you give them credit for.
It's true.
It's hard to believe that they can push a big truck like that, but they do.